Good morning, good morning! So it's a blessed day today. Nagising na naman tayo. So welcome sa page namin at share your faith, not the hate. So alam nyo ba, right now yung gusto kong i-share sa inyo is yung feeling na minsan ang liit lang na nagagawa mo. Pero alam mo, sabi sa Matthew 5:16, let your light so shine before men or before others. So hayaan mo magliwanag ang ilaw mo. Kasi alam mo, yung simpleng tulong mo, yung simpleng kindness, yung pag-share mo ng salita ng Diyos, they could see the goodness of God in you. So wag mong itago ang ilaw mo. Paliwanagin mo yan. Let us be brave, okay? Let us be kind, and don't shine for attention, but shine for God. Okay? So, magandang umaga sa lahat. Hope you have a great day. Share the faith, not the hate. Okay? See you!